Some homes give you a place to live. Others completely change the way you experience every single day. Imagine waking up to the sound of the ocean, watching eagles glide overhead as the morning sun rises over the coastal mountains. Then, with a coffee in hand, spotting whales and seals passing by just beyond your window. This is the kind of life waiting for you here. Set on nearly an acre directly across from the beach, this is more than just a beautiful home. It's a property designed for the way families live today. The main residence offers 5 bedrooms, multiple living spaces, and flexible accommodation with a fully self-contained lower level, making it ideal for growing families, multi-generational living, or additional income. But what truly makes this property special is everything beyond the walls. Step onto the expansive deck where every evening becomes its own show as orcas pass through the bay and the colors of the sunset reflect across the water. Walk across the road to the beach or follow the scenic waterfront trail along the former railway, perfect for morning walks, cycling, or simply slowing down and enjoying Vancouver Island's incredible coastline. Then there's the beautifully updated Ocean View Cottage. With its own entrance and private parking, it offers endless possibilities. Whether you envision welcoming Airbnb guests, creating a home business, generating rental income, or giving family and friends their own private retreat. The property itself is equally inviting, with fruit trees, a fenced yard, room for gardens, chickens, and plenty of space for children and pets to explore. And with significant updates already completed, including a newer septic system, heat pumps, updated plumbing, irrigation, and extensive renovations, you can simply move in and begin enjoying everything this lifestyle has to offer. Just minutes from Union Bay, Courtenay, and the Comox Valley Airport, this is where breathtaking scenery meets everyday convenience. If you've been dreaming of life by the ocean, where nature becomes part of your daily routine, this is more than a home. It's the lifestyle you've been waiting for.